guys, from sunny California, I'm Taylor Chu. Today I'm going to show you how to make a geometric pumpkin using washi tape, acrylic paint, and a Sharpie. Let's begin.
As you apply the tape, smooth it down with your finger. We don't want any bubbles underneath, otherwise that'll let paint seep through. We want nice clean edges with our washi tape. Around the edges, paint over the tape so the paint is less likely to seep underneath. Additionally, make sure all of your brush strokes are going in the same direction. It's okay if it doesn't look great on the first round. This is just the first coat. We'll add another one next.
Geometric pumpkins are meant to look unique, so get creative with the colors you use and the shapes you create. I intentionally left quite a bit of white space on mine to make it special. My name is Taylor Chu. Thanks for checking out this video. I have lots of other crafting, baking, and decor videos on my channel. I hope to see you there. Until next time, happy fall.